have reached your destination.
Yup. Okay, let's get a gander at what we're looking at. I have stripped this wheel down. I have treated all the rust. I have chipped out the bits. I wire wheeled out everything, and I painted everything black. And I'm about to do the silver portion. I'll lay this down so you can get a better idea. If you have these wheels, and you already know what I'm going to be doing here, but if you don't, this portion where you see that seam on each of these quadrants are black. And you can kind of get the impression of where this will go, right? Where all that black would be around here and throughout there. All that's black. The rest of it is silver, or will be silver, should be silver. And is going to be silver because I'm going to literally tape up these areas here so I can spray all around and have a normal looking ish raw style, something like that. I don't know, wheel. This is going to be my spare, and you can see that it's definitely seen some better days. I wouldn't use this anyway. This is the 13-inch version that is common on my car right now. I also have 14-inch rims up in my spares. I didn't realize, so I'm not sure what to do with those. In the meantime, a little bit of a ding there. I'll hammer that in, I guess. I'm going to get going, and I'll show you the next step, and then I'll paint. Okay, there we go. That's about an hour's worth of work. Maybe do a little bit of it in there, but what's next is to spray it with the silver paint, or gray, or whatever it is. I bought silver, but cool. Alright, not quite what I thought I would be looking at here. This is, I'm not sure I bought this stuff. Metallic steel? I thought I got gray. I got it off of Amazon, so I guess we'll see. I'll let this dry, and then I'll see how it looks. If I like it, I will repeat it on the other wheels. If I don't, I'm not going to do it. I thought this was more of a gray than a metallic steel. I certainly don't want something garish like that to replace that there. You know, whatever. I guess we'll find out. So the way that I did this, I stripped this down using a drill and a wire wheel. I did some sandpaper as well. Blew everything down, coated it in this stuff. This is rust converter that I got from, I think, Summit. I think. I did a couple of coats of this stuff, back and front. Then I lightly sanded all that to make sure I had some sort of a nice thing to adhere to. Then I did the black, and I taped it off, and I did the silver, and there we are now. So, yeah, I guess I'll see if I like it once I take the tape off, but you can see where I'm not too awfully worried about whether this is a really, really fine job or not. That's pitting on the inside of the wheel, and unless I fill that with lead or fill it with body filler or something else, you'd still see it. So I'm not going to do that. It's just a wheel, spare wheel. So there we go. I'm going to put this thing on its side and let it dry for a day. Okay, I'm going to leave this in the sun and see if it'll get any better. I've got gray on top of the silver. You can see the silver on the wheel there, the tire. And some touch-ups I'm going to do with a little itty-bitty brush, I think. And then take it out to the tire store tomorrow to get a tire on there so I can do all the other ones. I'm not sure I like this gray. I'm not sure. I guess maybe it'll grow on me. Okay, that's Dad. We're going to take Bridget here for its maiden run. I've been fiddling with the carburetor and doing some other tune-up stuff, and I have not yet fixed the wiring or the lack of indicators, but I will do that here sometime soon. I'm going to just run up through the neighborhood and see how she feels. So I'm going to put the top down. We've moved this beautiful piece of engineering and awesomeness. Stop. And get it out of the way. And so in the trunk, I've already showed Pop that I've got carpeting for this thing, plus edging, plus some other stuff. I'm going to take the seats out to cover those. And while they're out, I'm going to start looking into the electrical issues or whatever's preventing the indicators from working. So, without further ado, I'll put the top down. Actually, let me see if it starts. It should start. All right. It's cold. It's cold. Purring like a kitten. Okay, here we go. Obviously, I've got an indicator light on. I think it's the alternator. I am sitting on my ass. I am low, low, low in this thing.
Feet barely touch the pedals.
Oh, stop.
Want me to record your feet? Don't hit that car. I know the guy that owns that. First time driving the clutch?
No.
That doesn't sound good.
No, I've got the carb set badly or something. What's that?
It's pretty smooth. Oh, you're gonna kill me. Got a nice little backfire to it.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, is your choke in?
Well, that's what I'm saying. The carb is set badly.
Yeah.
So I'm watching the temperature closely to make sure I don't I'm not too lean or something. But
Oh, you're not lean. I can guarantee you're not lean after smelling the exhaust.
it idles nicely.
Yeah, it does. It's just a little rich.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn around right here because I don't want to go too far and then get myself stuck.
You want me to hold your phone? See. Oh, the kids today would kill for that. You need to put a fart pipe on this.
Hell no.
It likes it at higher RPM, doesn't it?
Well, I'm not accelerating really hard right now.
Yeah.
Oh, the indicator went out.
Oh, good. Means we're charging.
Yeah.
Battery was just probably low, huh?
Maybe. I've got some work to do on the carb, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's minor.
Yeah. Well, so I actually bought a carb and I got another one from a buddy, and they're both apparently set up for correct running. So I may just replace one for the
Swap
other.
them out real quick. A couple bolts.
Jesus God!
All right.
I'm just aghast at how. Oh, you got to get out. Yeah. Well, coming from you, where you hate everything I've ever driven. Pop especially hates that thing because I
hate that fucking thing.
Because I named it after him. It came on a flatbed after I bought it, and he didn't know about it. And he said, "What the fuck is that? I told you couldn't have that."
I happened to be here the day it arrived. He didn't tell me about it. He bought it.
Yeah.
After I told him, "Don't buy it."
Yeah. So anyhow,
this is pretty nice, though.
Yeah, it is. It is.
For you, this is awesome.
All right, so I've got nothing in the seat. That's where I was saying, holy shit, I'm sitting on my ass. I've got foamies up in my attic there. I'm going to replace that when I take the seats out. Obviously, the carb isn't set correctly, but it does move around and run. So, I believe... that's all wired.
Stereo.
Yeah, that's stereo stuff. So it is my understanding that when you have a backfire, it's either timing or it's carb that's too rich, I think. But...
Since you worked on it, it's probably both.
Fuck you. All right, enough. I'm going to put this up, and I'm going to get back to work on this. I've got to hit a couple of milestones on this.
That's looking
this puppy.
really nice.
Yeah.